Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Make sure you're signed into the same account on each device and that Wi-Fi plus Bluetooth are enabled. Once done, open the device settings immediately and locate the sharing or continuity panel. This is where you'll activate cross-device functions. You do this now because background services need permission to discover peers. Make sure updates are installed and devices restarted so the discovery service registers correctly and the next steps work without timeout. Now enable the actual sharing feature. Toggle on Share Across Devices or Nearby Sharing in Settings. You'll be prompted to grant specific permissions, accept location and file access so devices can pair and transfer securely. Once granted, set visibility to contacts or everyone depending on your security needs. This determines who can discover your device. You should also choose transfer preferences like Auto Accept for trusted devices because that reduces friction during routine transfers while keeping unknown devices blocked. Finish by testing. Send a small image or link from one device to another to verify the flow. You'll see a confirmation prompt. Accept it to complete the transfer. Once confirmed, check the notifications or share history to ensure consistency. If things go wrong, first toggle the sharing feature off and on, then reboot both devices. This clears cached discovery states. If that fails, temporarily switch visibility to everyone to isolate pairing issues, then restore the preferred privacy setting after a successful connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.